Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Lemon Tree Hotels. Analyst retains positive view on Lemon Tree Hotels Limited and expects an upside of 35% over the next 12 months. Quarter 4 FY25 is expected to be robust, supported by strong wedding season, healthy traction from MICE, and contribution from new openings with year-on-year revenue per growth likely to be at 12 to 14%. Long-term growth to be driven by industry tailwinds, favorable demand-supply dynamics, and recovery in FTAs, coupled with Lemon Tree's aggressive asset-light room strategy. EBITDA margin improvement to be aided by renovations and scale-up of Aurika, Mumbai. Debt to reduce with better cash flows. Stock trades at 12x is FY27 EV to EBITDA respectively. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for the latest market insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.